Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into using Zoho Project for project benchmarking, the full 2025 guide. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho account. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects tab on the dashboard. The reason we start here is because this is where you'll be able to create and manage all your project benchmarks. Now that we're on the Projects page, it's time to create a new project. Click on the Create New Project button, fill in the necessary details, and save. This step lays the foundation for your entire project benchmarking process. Next up, we're going to set our project benchmarks. To do this, go to the Settings tab and select Project Benchmarks. Here, you can define your benchmarks according to your project's specific needs. This helps us because it sets clear, measurable goals for our project's success. Now let me explain why this matters. Project benchmarking in Zoho Project allows us to track our progress and ensure we're meeting our goals. It's a way to measure success and identify areas for improvement. Okay, moving on. Click Save after you've set your benchmarks. The system will automatically track your progress towards these benchmarks as the project progresses. The next step is to monitor these benchmarks. Back on the Projects page, you can see how well you're meeting your benchmarks. The Project Benchmarks section provides a visual representation of your progress. This is important because it gives us a real-time look at how well the project is progressing. Now here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is continually tracking your progress and updating the benchmark status. This means you get up-to-the-minute reports on your project's performance. Finally, it's time to review and adjust. If you're not meeting your benchmarks, go back to the project benchmark setting and adjust as necessary. This is crucial because it allows us to make changes and improve the project's success. And just like that, you've mastered project benchmarking using Zoho Project. It's all about setting clear, measurable goals, tracking progress, and making necessary adjustments. Thanks for joining us, and see you on the next tutorial.